Assalamu alaikum, this is Rashid, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you that how you can use the formula of Hlookup. So here is my sheet, and here is two rows, and these rows are in vertical. Okay, so here I want to look up the values on the basis of this criteria. So here the formula will be started is equal to Hlookup. Okay, first of all he's saying me the lookup value, so I said this is my lookup value after table array, so I said this is my table array. Okay, and I will put 2 because I want to lookup from the row number 2. Okay, this is row number 1 and this is row number 2, so I said I want to look up the value from row number 2, and 0 is for the absolute, 0 is for the exact, not the absolute, this is for exact match, and I will make it enter, and it is showing that for D the value is 130. Okay, if I convert it into E, it will be showing 140. If I make it B, it will be 110 B. So this is the way by which you can use the Hlookup formula. Okay, and one more thing, you need to subscribe my channel for more videos, and www.facebook.com/my tutorial. Okay, this is my Facebook page. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you.